How are you? Today I'm taking one skirt, it's a tube knit skirt, and I'm showing you how to style it 4 ways. Thank you for joining me. If this is your first time, I appreciate that. I'm Ruth. This is Style Yourself Fabulous. I firmly believe that us ladies over 40 and beyond can look fabulous, and we don't have to go by trends. We can wear things we like, we can wear things that suit us, but most of all, we can stand out and be amazing and unique. Let's get cracking on for this video today. Let me show you what I'm wearing first of all with the green skirt, and then I'll move on and show you the other items. I've got a friend today. Milo comes on Monday. This is what I'm wearing. This green tube skirt, which is so versatile. It's a pre-loved skirt. Sorry, I'm cutting off the feet. I will do a little mini me here. I'm wearing fishnet types, which you can't see. They're natural. I'm mixing my greens. I've got this striped shirt on. I've got this blazer, which you keep seeing. And I've got this lovely neutral scarf with a little bit of bling on it. I think that's a really nice look. My Nephilim bag I've had a number of years. It happens to bring out the same colour in the bag. And that is today's look, accompanied by Milo the dog. So let's move on to the other looks today. I also wanted to talk to you about a few other things today. I want to talk to you about not being afraid to mix your colours, mix your pastels with your bright, mix your neutrals with pops of colour, just like I've done today. It just adds that something different and a little bit not what you see others wearing, and that's what it's all about. We want to stand out, we want to look different. And can you hear Milo padding around on his little paws there? So bear with me today. And I've got Aria off school because the power has been down because of storm Owen. We've got ours restored, but her school hasn't got hers restored yet, so she is also in next door. So I could be coming and going a little bit today, changing venues and a bit of starting and stopping. So bear with me, guys. Here on Mini Me, I'm showing you look number 2, and I've decided to go for a bit of colour blocking. I found this little pink tank top. It was given to me by my friend Jo. She wasn't wearing it, and I love green with pink, especially that candy floss pink with this beautiful mint green. They look really well together. I broke it up with a white shirt underneath. You could equally use denim, and I went for training shoes just to dress the look down. And those white training shoes with the orange stripe are from Alphabet. They come in different colours. They are 100% leather. I got them last year, but they're still available. So I like that casual sporty look of look number 2. I would pop a blazer on over the top if I needed another layer, or an outer coat, again if I needed another layer. Right, for look number 3, I went with double denim. A denim shirt, a denim jacket, and I kept it with my cowboy boots just because I didn't want to go too casual. I think it's just finding the right balance between chic and casual and sporty and something in between. And I like to think that that's what makes my looks or my outfits unique. So I think it looks really good with the double denim. The green and the blue are amazing together. There's Milo's tail swinging there. You come up and say hi? You come up and say hi? Is he being shy, is he? Come on, up you come, up you come. That's it, that's, well, yeah. You see, I get lots of kisses. Okay, that's enough today. Right, okay, so after being thoroughly licked by the dog, let's keep on and we'll go to look number 4. All looking forward to spring coming, so with look number 4 I thought I would go with a cardigan. Here he comes again. Okay. All right, darling, that's it now. Just a wee minute.
Not my keys.
Oh, where did you get those keys, darling? Where did you get those? Oh, wee second. Yes, and this is Aria. Say hello to everyone. Hello. So Aria is having a day off school, and she's loving it, aren't you? So she's playing at the minute and watching some YouTube, and then you're going to get your breakfast, aren't you? Needs to get her breakfast. Right, okay, it's going to be one of those days with interruptions. So the final look, it's a spring look. This little cardigan I got from Amazon. It was gifted back at the end of the summer, and I haven't worn it, but it's going to get worn with the skirt. I love the white shirt underneath it, and I think I'll pop on probably some white training shoes or some maybe sandals when the weather warms up. So that is 4 looks for you guys. So I'm showing you the look here. I think it's a lovely little look, and I think just pop a trench coat over it when it comes into spring on a cooler day, and there you go. Training shoes with this skirt looks fabulous, and a little bit of a bare leg will look really good, but while it's cold I'll be wearing sort of a neutral tight just to keep me warm. I don't like to get cold. Right guys, so I'm going to give you 4 looks today. I hope you have enjoyed them all. I do feel as if this video is a little bit rushed today, but that's because I've got a little bit of company. When you've got a 3-year-old and a Labrador dog running around, it's a little bit more tricky to keep focused. So I hope you'll bear with me. Do pop me a comment below. What did you think of the little photo bombers that you had to see in today's video? Milo is very loving, as you can see. I just let the camera roll, and I hope you didn't mind that that's the way it went. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, guys, I really would like if you would hit the subscribe button. Remember the bell. If you hit the bell, that means you get notified every time I've got a video uploaded, and then you get to see it first. I'd love you to hit the thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Remember those comments below, and save it and talk about it. Share it to other friends if you think they would enjoy watching it too. Well, guys, thanks for watching. You take care. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.